Hi, I'm Rebecca Rainier. Here's what's on our plate today. You've seen this tape on Olympic athletes. Is it something that would help for your weekend warrior or little leaguer? We're going to take a look. And also, we're going to meet 3 women who are making their good health a mission to help a friend. And finally, what's raw foods? What's a raw chef? We've got one in here to make some granola and some terrific caramel apples. Don't go away.
It's like I'm seeing all the blue skies, and I'm walking on the edge tonight. It feels so right, and I'm glad you're here. Glad you're here. Rebecca Rainier.
All right, the Olympics just ended a few weeks ago, and you've seen that tape, that Physio tape that they've got on their shoulders, their abdomens, their hips. It's kind of creepy and kind of cool. The question is, would it help your weekend warrior or your little leaguer? Reporter Allie Clifton takes a look to see if that kind of tape could help you.
That's a javelin thrower that has issues with her tricep and her deltoid and infraspinatus, looks like. So this is Carrie Walsh. And you could actually see here, she's got the tape. She had actually had rotator cuff surgery.
The 2012 London Olympic Games showcased athletes competing at the top of their sport. But why were so many of them wearing what looks to be colorful strips of tape?
They're wearing this thing called kinesio tape. And basically, kinesio tape is something that you can put on for a couple of different reasons. You can put it on to support a joint. You can put it on to make the muscles work a little bit better, a little more efficiently, or you can do it actually to increase blood flow.
Dr. Brian Royer is a doctor of chiropractic and is a true believer in kinesio tape. However, he says it's complemented with a technique called the Graston technique.
Basically, Graston technique is a way of getting in and breaking up some of the myofascial adhesions or scar tissue that develops. Kinesio tape does a very good job at taking away the pain when I'm not around to help somebody, but the Graston technique is what actually is, in my opinion, is that's what really gets people better.
These 2 techniques have become so successful that they are no longer just beneficial to elite athletes.
Whether or not it's elite level athletes like somebody in the Olympics or whether or not it's a weekend warrior, you can use kinesio tape and Graston technique on both. But they're actually techniques that you can use on regular patients too.
Jennifer Miller, who is a local physical therapist, shares other ways as to just how beneficial these techniques really are.
Because not everybody that uses it is actually hurt. Sometimes it's something they use because they think that it feels good. But from a therapeutic standpoint, it's usually something the same way that you take like an ibuprofen to kind of get you over the hump so you could do your rehabilitation and actually get better. It's just something to kind of bridge that gap.
All right, so if you think this is something that could help your kids or you as you're working out and going about your life, make sure to ask your doctor about the technique and the tape to see if it's something that could give you some improvement and a chance to recover. All right, when we come back, you're going to meet 3 women embarking on a huge challenge for a very special friend. Don't go with us. What am I saying? Don't go away. That's it. Don't go away.